In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable single sign-on in Salesforce. This might be necessary if you're looking to revert to using traditional login methods, or if you're troubleshooting an authentication issue. So let's jump right in and break it down step by step. First things first, you'll need to successfully log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. Here, you'll want to focus your attention on the Quick Settings icon, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. A simple click on this icon will present you with a list of options. Among these, you'll need to choose Open Setup. This is essentially where Salesforce houses its deeper settings and configurations, including what we're focusing on today, single sign-on settings. Now that you have the advanced setup open, you'll notice there's a search bar labeled Quick Find on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, all you need to do is type in Single Sign-On and let Salesforce work its magic by searching through the settings for the relevant options. Once the search results come up, you'll see a link for Single Sign-On settings. Go ahead and click on this link to continue. At this stage, you've arrived at the Single Sign-On configuration page. This is where the pivotal change is going to happen. What you need to do now is locate the Edit button, which you may find either at the top or the bottom of the list of settings. Click on it to proceed. Upon clicking Edit, you'll be presented with options related to how single sign-on is managed within your Salesforce environment. What you're specifically looking for is the checkbox that says Disable. Checking this box is the action that will effectively disable the single sign-on feature. Once you've made this adjustment, the final step is to ensure your changes are saved. So, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit the Save button. By doing this, your new settings will be applied immediately, and that's all there is to it. Disabling single sign-on in Salesforce is really just about navigating through these specific options we've just gone over. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully disabled the single sign-on feature in your Salesforce account. Whether you're doing this for testing, troubleshooting, or simply changing how users log in, these steps should have you well covered. Thank you for following along, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.